welcome. Here is today's DMR for Sunday into Monday, 3/29. Now we're looking at EURUSD on the 5-minute. We're going to do a little markup as we wait for the prime window to open. So I do see a channel closing from Friday here where price interacted with the 50. So I'm going to mark that one off. And then there's a little pin to the high here. So this tells me we're most likely looking for shorts. I'm going to mark that one off. And I'm going to mark the high. And if that high holds, then I am even more confirmed for shorts. Okay, so Asia is open. And that channel is 27 pips off the high. So if it comes back into that channel, that's a perfect entry for a short. Okay, we are in our prime window now. I see I have a pop out here already. So pop out high, I'm going to mark that one. And then price continued to go higher in Asia session, but it stayed flat in TDI, telling me that this is all divergent. This is all a trap move, which is confirming my short. Now I'm just waiting for the entry. I see it came right up to this high and this high held. Now I am in my prime window. I'm above my channel that we made because price interacted here with the 50. And I got my second green red cross within my prime window. That is here. So my entry is there. We're going to place the short entry here on the 5-minute. Let's take our 30 pips and stop level is 150 or 15 pips. And that is the trade for the day. Let's crank it up and see how it turns out. And there you go. You hit profit. Okay, that one was a very simple Sunday going into Monday entry. So let's label what we saw. So we are 30 pips off the open of Asia. We had our trap high, yesterday's or Friday's closing held. So this confirmed our short. It went just above that little pin. You had this beautiful M formation that vertexed through the 50 here. We had a nice green-red cross here. This one here was the first entry that we marked. This one here, this green-red cross on this side, would have been your later entry. Either one would have worked. There, you had 2 entry points within the prime window. Excellent, perfect, clean trade. Great way to start a week. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.